Stop wasting money on a useless stencil. Many technicians buy hundreds of stencils from the market, but end off they use only a 20 stencils, right? Or make 20 to 25 stencils, right? Many technicians, even my students ask, sir, which stencil number should we buy, right? Give me a list of the stencil number. So here is the truth. If you buy a random stencils from the market, a 70% of the stencils will be never used. In this video, I give you a method, a selection method of the stencils, right? So you can buy according to your need, which stencil most uses for you, right? Now, before I tell you this method, one important thing. Now, in this list, whatever the list you create, right? This list depend on the country to country. It's vary to country, city to city, location to location. For example, in your country, in your location, mostly sell Samsung or Motorola, like these kind of the phones. Other person sell like the other Techno Infinix, like these kind of the models. Though obviously the list will be a difference because internally there is chips. The chips number changes according to the brand, according to the model, according to the chipset. So I'll give you a universal method. So through this, you can buy according to your need, right? Not 100 of stencils. You can buy only a 20 stencils, a 20 to 25 stencils, and all the work will be done in it. From a PMU, a small IC, to large IC like a CPU, MMC, UFS, each and everything will be 100% completed. So watch the video till then. Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Master Prince. For this list, you have to take a notebook, right? Now you have to write down the brands, whatever the brands mostly selling on your area, on your locations, right? So those type of the models come to your own shop, like a Samsung, right? These brand changes according to location, right? Like Motorola, Oppo, Redmi, Vivo, in some location Infinix, Techno, all these type of the models. So create your own list, right? Now the next, when you write down all the brand names, right, 5 to 7 to 8 to 10, whatever the brands, right, in most come to your shop. After that, in a Samsung, in front of the Samsung, whatever the models, the mostly running models come to your shop, like A12, A13, A14, A15, 14, whatever the models you remember, note it down. Let's say from a Samsung you choose a 20 models, right? From a Motorola you choose a 10 models, right? From Oppo, let's say a 15, from a Redmi, let's say a 25. So you create a list. Let's say in this list, when you add all these, when you count all these, there are 100 of the models, include all the brands. For in a list, sometimes this list increase 100 plus models, sometimes it's 100 less than 100 models. Clear? It's depend on person to person, right? Now in these 100 models, the next step, right, you have to go to the Google. On a search bar, type like this model A12, the specification, right? Let me show you. Type Samsung A12 specification, go to the GSM Arena, first website. This is a Samsung Galaxy A12. Scroll down and there is a platform. Now there is a chipset MediaTek MT6765. Note down this number, right? MT6765. Now in this model, this CPU number, the MediaTek. One by one, from all Samsung models, you have to go to the Google. From all Motorola, all Oppo, all Vivo, all Redmi, you will create a CPU list, right? From the MTK, from the Qualcomm, from the Exynos, whatever the model comes in your mind, type it and note down the CPU number, right? Now, when you create this list from this process, when you follow this process, after this process, you will amaze there are most of the CPU are common. Or when you see a stencil, look at any stencil like this stencil, In this stencil, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 CPUs. In some stencil, there are 6 CPUs. In some, there are 4 CPUs. So 4 to 8 CPU cover in a single stencil. Okay, remember this. Now go to the Google again. Here you will type MT6765 CPU stencil. Now go to the images. Now you will see. Now look at this. This is a MQ2. On this MQ2 there are 6765. And along with that there are 6761, 6769, 6769V, 67855868V, SDM439. So there are total 8. Now do one thing, note down the MQ2. This is our stencil number, right? Now we go to the MQ2. Okay, now one by one go to the every model on a CPU specification, CPU stencil. When you note down the CPU number, go to the CPU stencil number, right? So you will get a CPU stencil numbers. When the process all complete, you will see a single stencil cover 8 CPU. So your 70 CPU will be covered on a max 20 stencils. Right? And these all are stencil will be a valuable, useful for you every time. Right? So for a CPU, many technicians confuse which stencil we buy. Through this process, you can easily find out which one you need, right? You can create your own stencil list. Now talk about the other, like a small ICs, like a PMU, charging, light IC, graphic, SDR for the network, WTR. For this you have to buy a single stencil called a universal. Let me show you a universal stencil. So here it is. This is a universal stencil. There are many holes, different type of the holes in it. So the all small ICs will be covered in this. Even the CPU will be covered, but I will recommend you for intermediate or beginner technician, go to the specific for the CPU. This stencil you can use for the small ICs, as I mentioned, for them charging, RFICs, graphic, light, SDR, WTR, all these ICs cover in this. Now the last, you will cover the CPU and the small ICs. Now there is a stencil for the RAM, for MMC, UFS, like these type of the ICs, a storage IC which we call storage and the RAM. So a single stencil in a market like this, special stencil for a RAM, means for the storage and the MMC IC. In this, when you look at this, all the storage IC which all the brands cover are included, right, in a one stencil. So you need a 22 stencils. Max 90% of the work come to your shop for the reballing purpose. From a small IC to CPU, every CPU will be covered in this. I hope this information will be valuable for you. If you think this is a valuable, share this video, like this video if you want this type of the more information. Thank you so much.